Welcome to Gamified EduTech, where learning meets fun. Today, we're excited to highlight one of our top resources, Jeopardy, 3 branches of government social studies review activity. This digital activity, built in Google Sheets, turns your classroom into a Jeopardy game show with a civics twist, perfect for mastering the US government. Featuring 25 engaging questions across 5 categories, it's a fantastic way to review social studies. Let's dive into what it brings to the table. Available in our Gamified EduTech store, this resource is a fully functional Jeopardy-style game designed for Google Sheets. It explores the 3 branches of government with categories like Legislative Branch, Executive Branch, Judicial Branch, Congress, and Senate, packed with 25 questions ranging from 100 to 500 points. Students tackle questions like, what is the main job of Congress? To make laws, or who leads the Supreme Court? The Chief Justice. With a sleek game board and built-in interactivity, it's 25 questions that make civics come alive. What sets this resource apart? It's a ready-to-use civics powerhouse with 25 preset questions that bring the 3 branches of government to life. The game show format hooks students with real-world relevance, like learning who helps the president, vice president, while a scoring feature tracks 2 or more teams or individual players' names for a personalized challenge. Plus, it's versatile enough for in-class play, remote learning, or test prep, with no prep needed. Just open and go. Here's how it works. Launch the game board in Google Sheets and set up teams or solo players. Students call out their category and point value, like Senate for 300, and the host reveals a question, such as, who breaks a tie in the Senate? Vice President. If they answer correctly, the host assigns points to their team or name, and scores update automatically on the main board. Questions like, how does a bill become a law? President signs it. Keep the energy high. Ideal for middle school, high school, or civics buffs, it's perfect for government reviews or virtual classrooms. Want to create your own? Try our Classroom Challenge Google Sheets extension. This digital activity comes fully equipped. The game board, 25 preloaded government questions, and a scoring system for teams or individuals, all in an easy-to-use Google Sheets format. At Gamified EduTech, we're dedicated to making learning a powerhouse of fun. Ready to bring this Jeopardy-style civics challenge to your students? Visit our Gamified EduTech store, link in the description below. Grab this resource and explore more ways to gamify your classroom. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this preview, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more from Gamified EduTech. Turn social studies into a game show showdown. See you next time.